Hi everybody. So today I wanted to share with you a manicure set that I received from Madam Glam, and I was contacted by them a couple weeks ago and asked if I'd like to try their manicure set, and it could not be better timing because recently I ended my job where I could not use any nail polish at all. So I was so excited to get this and try it. So they offered me a choice of 3 nail polish colors with the kit. So I picked some fun colors. I picked pink, red, and blue. And they came beautifully packaged like this. And in the kit, you get a base coat, a top coat, and then your 3 colors. So the one I'm wearing today is pink. And they came with these beautiful instruction card with the step-by-step instructions, and it also came with this really nice little lamp to cure the nail polish. And what I like about this is that it is so small and compact, and you just fold this up to store it away, and you use it with a USB cord, so it's super easy to do. Like I did it when I was watching football about 3 days ago, and it was so much fun, so easy to do, and I love the colors. This is the pink one that I chose, but on their website they offer 1,800 shades and 800 colors. The shades are 1,800 shades and textures and 800 plus colors. When you go to their website, they have so many different choices. It's just fantastic, and it says on their website that they come out with new colors frequently. So that's really exciting. And what I like about this, it does list everything on the card. They are vegan, 21 free, cruelty free, and the other one it says protected or produced with respect to the environment. So those things are all super important. I think we would all agree to that. And if you are looking for a way to do your nails very easily at home without having to go to a salon, it saves time, it saves money, and it's easy and it's fun. I mean, who doesn't want those things? And look at my fingers. No, I do not have long nails. I like my nails short, and these are perfect for me. I do dishes, I do cleaning, I do gardening. I've had these on 3 days, no chips whatsoever. In fact, I think that as the days go by, my nails actually look better, because the first day that I did it, I had some little mistakes outside the lines because, you know, I'm practicing. But then the next day, those little marks went away. So yeah, I think my nails look better as the days go on. And if you're interested, I would suggest you go over to their website. That's upside down. Go to the website, check them out. They did offer a 30% discount code to any of you who would like to go and check out their website. So I would encourage that. Again, like I said, it was very easy. It was fun, and it saves going to the salon and saves money by doing it at home. So let me know what you think. Have you heard of Madam Glam? I have heard of them. They've been around for, I think, almost 10 years. So it's a well-respected, trusted company. And I think my daughter has tried this brand. I'm pretty sure she has, because she could always do her nails at home. Now, I could do my nails at home because I am not in the job where I cannot use nail polish. So I'm so happy to have the opportunity to try this, and I hope that you check them out and let me know what you think. I'll put the code down below, and I will see you all soon in the next video. Bye for now.